Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany, your friendly plant-loving internet stranger, back with another video. Today I am doing an unboxing. So yeah, this is the first plant unboxing I think I've done on this channel in a while. If I've ever done one, I actually can't remember. I got two plants. I got these from an Etsy shop. Let me show you what I got. So the packaging looks pretty nice. I got an Alocasia Frydek and an Alocasia Silver Dragon. The Alocasia Silver Dragon I've had before. I've had both of these plants before and they've since passed away, so I wanted to repurchase them because I've had such success recently with my Alocasia Sumo. I was feeling really motivated to try again with some of the Alocasia that I've had in the past. And so yeah, let's see what they're looking like. Okay, so this one is the Alocasia. Ooh, that scared me. The way that cotton is rolled up in that center there. I thought that was a little mealy bug. Anyway, this is the Alocasia Silver Dragon. Let me get all of this fuzz off of it. This looks really, really nice. Oh, this looks great. What a beautiful plant. So I used to have one of these and I was really sad when it unalived itself. I called it my Incredible Hawk plant because the leaves remind me of the Incredible Hawk's muscles. So I'm really happy about this. I kind of want to put this under a grow light and get it all set up with the humidifier this fall and winter. It was packaged pretty nicely actually. You saw it was wrapped up and it had the cotton fuzz on top of it, and there's like tape and plastic wrap keeping all of the dirt intact with the cotton fuzz on top of this as well so that the soil doesn't move too much. Okay, looking pretty good. Got a little bit of root action at the bottom here. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but a couple of those little white spots are actually roots that appear to be wanting to peek through the hole. So I'm assuming in the next month or so that will be happening. Yeah, this looks really good. I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna get this washed up, and it doesn't look like it needs to be watered right now, but in the next day or two, when it dries out, I'm gonna put it in the window. When it dries out, I'm gonna do my systemic pesticide mixture with this one and the other one I got. Let me unpack that one. So here is the Alocasia Frydek. Really pretty. It has these velvety leaves. The silver scale also has velvety leaves as well. So these are both texture queens. Let's get this plastic off the bottom. This was so nice. What a lovely plant. She's thirsty, so I'm going to need to water her right away, but this one seems okay. They must have watered this one shortly before it was packed up, but let it dry out enough because it doesn't look moldy or anything. But this one looks like she hasn't had water in a minute, so I'll be able to do her systemic pesticide probably this evening. I'm going to let it sit for a minute and collect itself, and then I'll probably do the systemic pesticide in a water bottle or something. Pour some in here, and then in the next few days, I'm still going to wash the leaves on this one tonight though, and wash the leaves on this one and treat it. This one I'll treat in the next few days as it dries out. I don't want it to have root rot or anything because it's already kind of wet. But yeah, this one is pretty light and looks like I got two plants here, so that is exciting. We're going to see how those fare together. And this one looks like it has a third little leaf popping up. The little baby plant, you can see the third leaf kind of popping up there. And then the large mother plant also has a fourth leaf coming up right here in the middle, if you can see it. I don't know if it'll focus. So yeah, let's get this plastic off. Here she is, looking good. The soil on this one looks good as well. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with how these plants look. That's it. Wanted to keep this video quick and just show you this unboxing. Again, this is the Alocasia silver scale, and this is the Alocasia Frydek. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.